Would you like to know about the lion in African or Hunkin or Mabaan tribe? The meaning of lion. Lion. Jel. 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 So jel means jella. Jella. It means to rise up, to stand up. It means strength and courage. Jel means the rise, the rise, the rise. To be first, to lead your people or to lead the way. And in Arabic, jil means asset, asset, asset. In Arabic, you can say haya, 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 haya mean let's go, get up, let's go. Haya, harinams, harinams kullina, let's go together. Let's go together. Let's go, like let's all of us, like get up and go. Jalla, jalla, harinamsi, harahnamsi, harkum. In African, right? In African, in Honken, you say jalla, 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 man, let's go. Jalla, 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 jalla. Let's go, rise up, get up. So meaning works, mind and the knowledge of African, works. And that's why we want to learn African, history, African, like, words, language, languages. And this is Mabaan, in South Sudan, living close to Ethiopia, living in the Blue Nile, and also, in South Sudan, but close to Ethiopia and living in Sudan. So just the word jella, jella, jel, jella, jella, man. Let's go, get up, rise up. And in Arabic, mean acid, acid, and it related to word haya. Haya mean get up, let's go. Haya, haya. Jalla, 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 right? In African. And words make sense. Gel, 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 acid, acid, or al-acid in Arabic, al-acid. Jalla, jalla. Let's go. Let's go.